Vanguard offers both ETFs, which are exchange-traded funds, as well as index mutual funds. Simply put, these ETFs can be purchased through any brokerage platform. Meanwhile, the index mutual funds must be purchased through the Vanguard brokerage platform. If we take VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, for example, this can be purchased through any brokerage platform. However, the counterpart to this is called the Vanguard 500 Index Fund Admiral Shares, and this is the index mutual fund that is exclusive to the Vanguard investment platform. Aside from that, another key difference is the minimum investment. For the index mutual funds, it's often a $3,000 minimum, whereas the minimum for the ETF investment is as little as $1. In addition, the expense ratio, or the fee paid to the investment managers, is actually slightly lower for the ETFs. In the case of VOO, that comes in at 0.03%, whereas the index mutual fund version is a 0.04%. The last key difference between the two is the trading window. For the ETF, you can trade this anytime the market is open, and with Robinhood, the platform I'm going to show you later, they actually offer this in what's called the 24-hour market, so you can trade this around the clock. For the index mutual funds, there's going to be one trading window per day, which is usually after the market has closed in the evening. Based on those reasons, most people prefer the ETF investment, as you have more flexibility, lower fees, and lower investment minimums, among other things. So we're going to be focusing on that as the preferred method for investing for the rest of the video.